Hey everybody, I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Here's a look at Hurricane Matthew. We're tracking it as it's moving away from South Florida, still sticking close to the southeast coast of the U.S., just pounding the northeast coast of Florida and more territory northward along the southeast coast in the path of this very dangerous system. You can see how the outer reaches of the system, those outer bands, are impacting even the Carolina coast as we're moving through the late afternoon of Friday. Meantime, let's talk about our forecast. As that system continues to pull up the shoreline, our weather gets better and better and brighter. In fact, on Saturday, the rain chance is low at just 20%. High temperatures expected to reach the lower 90s. The breeze will be gentle from the west-northwest by the end of the day, wind sustained around 10 miles per hour. And then on Sunday, it'll be a northwest wind, eventually to north, wind sustained around 15 miles per hour. So a little bit of a breeze heading through the weekend, but nowhere near the tropical storm force wind gusts that we felt on Thursday night. So this is our forecast. We have a great weekend on the way. We do have to keep an eye on next Tuesday and Wednesday should Matthew, or what's left of it, decide to loop back around and have some impact on our forecast. So notice our rain chances going up next Tuesday, Wednesday. Make it a great weekend.